Now on to partial sums of arithmetic sequences. Sometimes they're asking you to find the sum of the first n terms or any terms of the sequence. And there's actually two formulas that you can use depending on what information is given to you. So we do have the first formula, S sub n, that's the sum of the first n terms. I like the abbreviation. That's equal to n over 2 times the quantity of 2 times a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And then we're going to use this formula if a sub 1 and d are given. The other formula that we have, S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. If they only give us, let's see, a sub 1 and a sub n, the first and last term, then we will use this formula. So starting off, if we look at this example, we are asked to find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic sequence. So just to kind of help with notation, the sum of the first 20 terms would be S sub 20. And you just have to decide what formula we're using. So just looking at what they give us, they do give us the first term, that's a sub 1. So in both cases with the formula, we're good to go. We at least have that taken care of. But if we look at the next term that's given to us is a sub 20, that is the last term. So when I look at what formula to use, I see that the second formula is going to be the appropriate formula for us to use here. So if you don't mind, I'll just write out the general form on top. I know we can kind of see it, but it's just kind of my habit to help myself. It always helps with making sure I'm plugging in the right things. So S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. And what we have here, if we have S sub 20, that's us saying that n equals 20. So we're replacing 20 every time we see the n. So this would leave me with 20 over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub 20. And then now I can kind of simplify a little bit and simultaneously plug in any known term numbers. So 20 over 2 is 10. A sub 1 is 12. And a sub 20 is 88. So if we do this for ourselves, we're going to add 12 plus 88, just kind of simplifying with the order of operations. That's actually nice. I'm surprised. I actually get 100. That's really surprising. So then 10 times 100 gives us 1,000 as the sum of the first 20 terms. So I hope this helps. We're going to take a look at the next example. I'll see you then.